Hello students, welcome back to my class. So today we are going to continue another lesson of the same class 5th. So this is unit 7 A reading. Okay, as you can see in the face sheet, that what you can see in the face sheet, there are cricketers. Can you able to, what you can say, find out, tell me the names of the cricketers who are there on the face sheet. There is Sachin Tendulkar and there is Harbhajan Singh and Suresh Raina is also there. So these are the famous cricketer of famous cricket players of Indian team. So students, as you know, cricket is a sports which is played in every country. Yes, so how many players are there in a cricket team? Everybody knows that 11 players will be there, and it will be played into 2 teams. And what else you want to know? And I would like to ask, who is your favorite cricket player? Who is your favorite current cricket player? Just tell me, and we'll start this lesson. As I have mentioned on the board, the name of the lesson is I was bad at cricket. So A reading is the I was bad at cricket. The story consists of a boy, and let's see who are there in this story. Without any further delay, let's start our story. Okay, let's start our story. Everybody at Bojyanek Thanda. Bojyanek Thanda was good at cricket. Okay, so Bojyanek Thanda maybe is a name of the village. Okay, Bojyanek Thanda. Okay, I'll write the name also. Naik. Yes, it is a village. Okay, small town village, good at cricket. Except myself. I tried my best, but it was no good. So who is saying this? Right now we don't know the name of the character who is saying all this about. What is the name of the boy who is saying all this? So in this place, in this village, Bojyanek Thanda, everyone is good in cricket except myself. सिवाय मेरे सब लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा cricket खेलते हैं. But I used to try my best, but it was no good. If I am trying also, I could not see improvement in my performance. Who is saying this? Every time I try to catch the ball. Yes, so what the boy is saying, every time he tried to catch the ball, it seems to escape from my hands. But वो हमेशा मेरे हाथ से छूट जाता था. It was the same if I try to bat also. So what did the boy is saying? He is not able to catch the ball and he is unable to do the batting also. The same happens when he is trying to do a good batting. He is not good in batting also, and he is not good in bowling also. Yes, sorry, not bowling, in catching the ball. Yes, my bat seemed to miss, or the ball flew off the edge of it. So what is happening with this boy? So he used to miss the ball when he is doing the batting. उसका ball miss हो जाता था, or else the ball is going to go besides the edge of the bat, या फिर ball जो है side से निकल जाता था, but he is unable to do the batting properly. Next, what happened is, each time I missed the ball, all the boys groaned. Groan means shouting. What happened to you? Why you are unable to catch the ball? Whenever this boy used to miss the ball, all the other players used to shout at him, why he is doing this? Why you cannot catch the ball? As for bowling, well, I was so bad that I was never asked to bowl. The same happened with the bowling also. He is unable to catch the ball. He is unable to do the batting good. And one more thing, the last thing is bowling also. He is not good in bowling, and nobody else asked him to bowl. Okay, so everybody knows that this boy is not in batting, not in bowling, and not in catching the ball. So nobody used to give him the chance to bowl. So let's see what happened next. What is the name of this boy who is saying that I was bad at cricket? What is the name of that boy, and what had happened with him further? Let's see. One evening, an old man who sat on the veranda. Everybody knows what do you mean by veranda, a open place where everyone used to walk, etc. Okay, of a house. It will be obviously there in the house, veranda, where our parents, our family members used to walk. So one evening what happened? An old man was sitting on the veranda in the house. Near the ground, watch my drop, an easy catch. So what did that old man had seen? Old man ने क्या देखा? Old man had saw that this boy is missing a simple catch, dropping the easy catch. He shook his head slowly. So that old man shook his head like this slowly. So he was shaking his head slowly. Why? Because this boy has missing the catch, which is very easy to catch the ball, and that old man was looking at him and shaking his head. That boy has got no eye for the ball, he said. I bite my lip to hold back my tears. So what did that old man said? Old man had said कि उसे जो है नज़र नहीं आ रहा है clearly to hold the ball, to catch the ball. So this was the words said by the old man. So old man said he is unable to catch the ball. Why? Because he could not got an eye. उसे वो नज़र ही नहीं है. He doesn't having that much of eyesight, or else the ball he could not able to see properly to hold that ball. Next what happened? When the boy heard this, he bit up his lips to hold the tears. When he heard that the old man is saying this, he was very much sad and about to cry. उसे रोना आ रहा था. But he bit his lip and controlled his tears into his eyes. I had not always been bad. So what did the boy saying? कि मैं हमेशा से ऐसा नहीं था. I was not being bad. I used to be quite good. But over the past years or so, I had just got words and words. But he is saying I was good. But from past years, I'm just become words and words. At home, Jangu, my brother, began to tease me. So this boy is also having a small brother. So what was his name? His name is Jangu. So what is the name of his brother? Jangu is the name of the brother. Small? Yes. So Jangu is the name of the small brother of that boy that we are discussing the story. I was bad at cricket. So what is the name of that boy who is saying that I was bad at cricket? Till now we don't know the name, but we will get to know the name very soon. Yes. So the boy is saying my brother used to tease me. Why? Because he dropped such an easy catch today. So Jangu used to tease that boy, his brother, elder brother, that he is unable to hold the easy catch. He said to father. So what is the name of the boy who is saying that I was bad at cricket? Is, let's see. So who said to father that the Jangu is teasing to him? Somla. Okay. So Somla is the name of the boy who is saying about himself that everyone at Bojanek Thanda is good at cricket except myself. So this is the story of the Somla who is saying I was bad at cricket. So when Jangu teased Somla, Somla went to his father and said even our little Isru could have done better. So what did the Jangu is saying? Somla is having another brother, small little brother. So what is his name? His name is Isru. Okay, one more brother is Isru. Isru is also a small little brother. He is having two brothers, Jangu and Isru. So Jangu is saying कि Isru भी तुमसे बहुत अच्छा है कि वो भी एक easy catch he can able to catch it. Well, Somla has butterfingers, said Jangu. What do you mean by butterfingers? Butterfingers is nothing but the person who drops everything from his fingers. So Jangu is saying that Somla is having butter fingers. Butter fingers जो हाथ आते ही हर चीज़ drop out हो जाती है. So Somla is having butter fingers. He used to drop every time, every catch of the ball. He has no eye for the ball. But father said, and the Jangu is saying that he is unable to catch the ball because he doesn't have eye for the ball. He could not see the ball, from where the ball is coming, how far from the ball is going to come, from how long distance the ball is going to come. He is unable to see all those things. That is why he is missing the catch. But what did the father said? The father said, I had a dream last night, but I have seen a dream. Last night it was about Somla playing for the Indian side. So the father is saying he got the dream last night. In that dream he saw that the Somla is playing for the Indian team. The next day we were playing cricket as usual. So as usual these boys were playing the cricket the next day also. So what happened next day is, the next day they went to play the cricket as usual, and Jangu went into the bat. Don't think you are going to catch me out, man. So Jangu, his little brother, is saying, don't you ever think that you are going to catch me, that you are going to catch my ball which I am going to bat. So Jangu batting kar raha tha, and he said to his brother, you are not going to catch my ball at all. Don't you ever think. Why don't you go and play with Isru? So what did the Jangu is saying? Why don't you go and play with Isru? And he is giving a taunt to the Somla. Why? Somla's small brother, little brother is Isru. You are able to play with him only. You can't play on the field. He is taunting like that to his brother. Get him to show you how to catch, he said to me. He said to me. Harsha was the bowler. So here, who is the bowler? One more name of the character is there in the story is Harsha. Okay. So Harsha is the boy who is doing the bowling. Okay. He bowled a slow delivery to Jangu. So he was bowling and he delivered a ball very slowly. He did bowling very slowly to Jangu. Jangu was doing batting. Jangu came forward and lofted the ball. So Jangu came forward and gave a high, what you can say, he played a very nicely. इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा खेला है जंगू ने. He lifted the ball and the ball was lifting into the air. He had hidden the ball. The ball went straight up in the air. As I said, Jangu has given a great shot that the ball was, what you can say, the ball went into the air. I saw I was right under the ball. I know I must catch it. So what happened next? As the ball was straight into the air, ball जो है हवा में था and Somla was on the field. So what was happening? I saw, मैंने देखा कि ball जो है exactly मेरे ही पास आ रहा था. The ball was under me. I was right under the ball. So where I was standing, the ball was coming in that position only. I know I must catch it. So Somla was talking with himself that I am going to catch this ball at anyhow. ये ball मेरी side आ रहा है and I must catch it. Get back, Butterfingers, yelled Vamsi. Vamsi is also another player in the cricket on the field. So what did the Vamsi said? Get back, Butterfingers. So all the cricket players used to call the Somla Butterfingers hands. Why? Because his hands are like that, who never catch anything. Always he used to drop out the things from his hands. That's why all the players used to call Somla is having butterfingers. So yield Vamsi. Yielding means shouted. Vamsi shouted at the Somla that you should catch this ball. So another player is Vamsi. Yes. Leave it. Someone will catch it. I will take it. What happened? So another player said this. छोड़ दो. We will. What is going to happen? कोई और catch out कर लेगा. I will take it. Vasu came running there. So everybody knows that Somla is unable to catch the ball. From other side, a voice started coming. What did the another player said? Leave it. Someone will catch it. I will take it. So who said this? Vasu came running there. Leave it for me. Vasu shouted. So Vasu is also another player. Okay. Everybody knows in the cricket team there must be 11 players to play the cricket. So another player started telling this. Vasu is name of the another cricket player. Leave that ball. I am going to come there and catch out that ball. It's mine. Go away. I cried this way my chance to show them. So I cupped my hands to catch the ball. So Somla wants to show every player that he can able to catch the ball. Why? Because everyone is teasing him. His brothers is teasing him. His brothers Jangu and Isru is teasing him. His cricket players are taunting him that he is having butter fingers. He is unable to catch the balls. He was crying, and he on the other hand, he also wants to show that he can able to catch the ball also. I cried. This was my chance to show them. I cupped my hands and catch the ball. I was right under the ball. I should not miss. So what did the Somla is saying? Nahi, I am going to catch this ball. This ball is coming into my way, and I am going to show everyone that I can also able to catch the ball. I should not miss. और मैं इस बॉल को मिस करना नहीं चाहता. Saying the Somla. Ha! I screamed and fell down on the ground. So Somla was about to catch the ball only. तो सोमला ने क्या किया? बॉल को वो कैच आउट करने ही वाला था. हाँ, I screamed and fell down on the ground. What happened? He suddenly shouted and fell down on the ground. Everyone ran towards me. I held my hand to my face. So what happened? He just shouted and fell down on the ground. He lie down on the ground और वो ground पे गिर गया है, and everyone, all these players ran towards the Somla. And what happened? And I kept my hand on the face. Who is saying this? Somla. Blood ran through my fingers. So what happened? Blood was running through my fingers. The ball hit me in the face. As he was able to try to catch the ball, this incident has happened that the ball hit on his face and the blood was going on his face, and he just screamed and fell down on the ground. और वो गिर गया था, and so much of blood was going on his face, and the blood was touched to the fingers also. Blood ran down through my fingers. The ball hit me in the face. People around gathered and rushed me to the hospital. So all the people who are on this cricket field took the Somla and rushed to the hospital. The doctor observed and said to my parents. So what did the doctor said? What did the doctor has diagnosed and investigate, and what did this doctor said to the parents? Aides, take him to the town hospital immediately. So these people used to live in the small town village Bojianek Thanda. So what did the doctor said? Immediately take him to the city or town hospital. He needs a surgery. So Somla has to go with the surgery. Why? Because the ball has hit on his face and the blood was going so much. So immediately the doctor said that take him to the city doctor. Why? Because he has to go through with the surgery. I was taken to a hospital in Hyderabad. So Somla said कि मुझे hospital लेकर गया है, लेकर गए हैं. Which hospital? The Somla has went to the hospital in Hyderabad. So his parents took him to the hospital which is in Hyderabad. Jangu was crying. Why did I said Somla has no eye for the ball? So Jangu, his small brother, was feeling guilty कि मैंने ये सब क्यों कहा to the Somla that he has no eye for the ball. Now it might come true. So he was also very scared. What happened to his brother? कि उसकी आँख ही चले न जाए. That it might come true that he is no eye for the ball. He said to his brother. So he was very much in a fear that it might not come true. Mother consoled Jangu, don't worry, Somla will be alright. He will play with you again. So his mother said this consolation words. His mother consoled them that the Somla is going to be well very soon and he is going to play with all of you again. To his brother Jangu. My father and mother looked after me carefully. Who is saying this? Somla said his father and mother is looking after him very carefully. After a week, my father went to Bojnayak Thanda. So after they were what you can say spending the time in Hyderabad, Somla's father has again came back to his village Bojnayak Thanda. I sent a letter to my elder brother Jangu. So Somla has written a letter to his brother Jangu and sent that letter with his father. That father shared this letter to the Jangu. Why? Because his father is going back to the village after a week. Okay, so what happened next is Somla has written a letter to his brother, and what did he wrote in his letter? Let's see. Dear Jangu, my eyes is much better now. The doctors and nurses are very kind to me. They tested my eyes yesterday. So what did the Somla is saying? कि अब मेरी आँखें बहुत better है. Right now I'm feeling much better. The doctors and nurses are very good, very kind to me. They tested my eyes yesterday. Now I am all right. Of course, before surgery, there was something wrong with my left eye. So, what did the Somla is saying is, before surgery, the doctor has examined and investigated. डॉक्टर ने सब चेकआउट कर कर कहा कि सर्जरी से पहले मेरी लेफ्ट आई में कुछ प्रॉब्लम थी. The doctor said, after surgery, it's all right now. So, after going the surgery, the problem has gone away. So, right now, everything is all right. Now, I can bowl. Now, I can bowl and bat as you do. So, what is Somla saying? That right now everything is fine and all right. After the surgery, that left eye problem has also gone away. So I can bowl and bat as you do. I will never drop even a single catch. So Somla is saying कि अब मैं एक catch भी miss out नहीं करूँगा. I miss you all. So Somla is saying that I am missing you, all of you, to the Jangu. Hope you are playing regularly. I'll join you very soon. Give my love to Grandpa and little Isru. So in this way, the Somla has closed his letter while convey love and respect to the Grandpa, and in a very beautiful manner that he is missing all of you and little Isru too. With love, Somla. So in this way, the Somla has written a very simple and beautiful letter to his brother, in which he has said all his problem and treatment and what he is feeling, and he is missing to his family and grandparents. He closed the letter with love and respect. So let's see what happened next. Okay, so after the letter is over, and this letter was given to the Jangu written by the Somla. I was in hospital for 10 days. When I returned to my village, Jangu gave me a parcel. So in Hyderabad, Somla has spent his 10 days. Why? Because he was in the hospital. So he was there in Hyderabad for 10 days. When he returned to the village, Jangu gave him a parcel. After 10 days, his brother came into the village. So he welcomed his brother while giving him a parcel. I was surprised. There was a beautiful ball in it. So what did the Somla is saying? I was very much surprised. I saw in the parcel that there is a beautiful ball in it. A new cricket ball was there in the parcel. I jumped with a joy and hugged my brother. So after seeing this in the parcel, a beautiful cricket ball, what did the Somla did? He jumped with the joy, with full of happiness, and hugged his brother Jangu. Yes, I practice hard day and night with my bat and the ball. So after returning to the village and getting this parcel as a beautiful ball, what did the Somla did? Somla had started practicing the cricket day and night. Now I am a member of the Indian cricket team. So what did the Somla said? Now I am the member of the Indian cricket team. Why? Because he was practicing so well, hardworking, and putting his effort so much in his practice in the cricket, so that he can able to play for the Indian cricket team. Now he has become the member of the Indian cricket team. So before that, he was having a problem in his left eye before the surgery. That's why he was bad at the cricket. He was unable to bat properly. He was unable to catch the ball properly. He was unable to, what you can say, bowl the bowling was also not good for Somla. So in this way that he has practiced, after the surgery everything has become normal, and his problem for the left eye also has gone away, and he was practicing so much. He has become so much good at bowling, so much good at catching, and so much good at batting that he became the member of the Indian cricket team. In this way the story comes to an end. So I hope students it is clear to everyone, and I made it clear and understood the story, which is a very nice and what you can say motivational story. You should always do practice hard work a lot and lot to achieve your success and goal. How the Somla has did, he practiced so hard day and night, and now he become the member of the Indian cricket team. So students, learn the meanings and try to read this story for your well reading practice. So in this way we have completed story of the 7th unit A reading. In the next class we are going to continue the grammar and vocabulary part of this lesson only. Take care of yourself. Thank you.